Every second you waste is costing you something you can never get back. Money, not comfort, not even opportunity. Timmy, and the dangerous part is, you don't feel it slipping. You don't hear it leaving. There's no warning sound, no alarm that tells you this moment matters. It just disappears, quietly, while you scroll, while you hesitate, while you tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow is built from what you do today. And right now, you're building something. The question is, what are you building? Because whether you like it or not, your future is being created in this exact moment. Not next week. Not next year. Now. And if you're not intentional, you're not standing still. You're falling behind. Look at your life honestly. Not the version you show people. Not the version you tell yourself. The real one. Are you closer to where you want to be? Or just more comfortable where you are? Comfort is dangerous. It feels safi brimbishin. It convinces you that you have time. That you can wait. That you can delay effort without consequences. But comfort is where dreams go to die. Because growth never lives there. Think about it. Every successful person you admire, every single one made a decision at some point. A decision to stop wasting time. A decision to stop making excuses. A decision to act, even when they didn't feel ready. And that's the part most people don't want to hear. You will never feel ready. There will never be a perfect moment. No perfect plan. No perfect timing. No moment where fear disappears and confidence magically takes over. That moment doesn't exist. What exists? Now. And what you do with now determines everything. Right now, you have two choices. You can be always done, or you can change. And change doesn't start with something big. It starts with something small but intentional. Getting up when you don't feel like it. Working when you'd rather scroll. Choosing discipline over distraction. Because distraction is everywhere. It's designed to keep you passive. To keep you consuming instead of creating. To keep you entertained instead of evolving. And the longer you stay in that cycle, the harder it becomes to break free. Days turn into weeks. Weeks turn into months. Months turn into years. And one day, you wake up and realize you're in the same place, with the same goals, the same excuses, the same regrets. That's how time punishes you. Not all at once, but slowly, quietly, until it's too late to get those years back. And the truth is, deep down, you already know this. You feel it when you waste hours doing nothing meaningful. You feel it when you avoid the work you know you should be doing. You feel it when you compare where you are to where you could be. Feeling, that's awareness. And awareness is powerful. Because once you see the truth, you can't unsee it. So the question is, what are you going to do with it? Are you going to ignore it? Push it on? Distract yourself again? Or are you finally going to act? Because action is the only thing that changes anything. Not thinking, not planning, not waiting. Action. Messy, uncomfortable, imperfect action. That's what builds a future. Not motivation. Motivation fades. It comes and goes depending on how you feel. But discipline shows up even when you don't want to. And that's what you need. Because your future doesn't care how you feel today. It only reflects what you do. Let that sink in. Your future is not something that happens to you. It's something you create. Every habit you repeat builds it. Every excuse you make weakens it. Every second you waste damages it. And here's the hard truth. No one is coming to save you. No one is going to knock on your door and force you to become better. No one is going to hand you discipline. No one is going to give you back the time you've already lost. It's on you. Completely. And that might sound heavy, but it's actually power. Because if it's on you, then you can change it. Right now. Not tomorrow. Not when things are easier. Now. You don't need a new life. You need new decisions. You need to stop negotiating with your excuses. Stop telling yourself later. Stop waiting for the right mood. Stop convincing yourself that small actions don't matter. They matter more than anything. Because your life is not built in big moments. It's built in small ones. The moments no one sees. The moments that feel insignificant. Those are the ones that define you. And if you can win those moments, you can change your entire life. But if you keep losing them, you'll stay exactly where you are. And that's the reality most people avoid. Because it's easier to blame circumstances. To say, I don't have time. I don't have resources. I don't have support. But the truth is, you have enough to start. Maybe not to finish, but to start. And starting is everything. Because once you start, you build momentum. And momentum changes everything. It builds confidence. It builds clarity. It builds progress. But none of that happens if you stay still. So don't wait. Don't overthink. Don't hesitate. Movi, even if it's small, even if it's imperfect, even if it's uncomfortable. Because every second you use wisely is a step toward the life you want. And every second you waste is a step away from it. There is no neutral. You're either building or you're destroying. Right now, in this moment. So ask yourself, if your future was watching you right now, would it be proud or disappointed? Would it thank you or blame you? Because one day, you're going to meet that future version of yourself. And when you do, you'll either be grateful for what you did today or regret what you didn't do. There is no in-between. So decidi, right now, who are you going to be? Who are you going to be? The person who keeps waiting? Or the person who finally takes control? Because time doesn't slow down. It doesn't pause. It doesn't give second chances. It keeps moving, with or without you. And every second you waste is taking something from your future. So stop wasting it. Start moving. Start building. Start becoming. Before the cost becomes too high. Before the regret becomes permanent. Before the person you could have been becomes someone you'll never meet. The clock is ticking. And it's not waiting for you.